Do statins cause dementia, Alzheimer's, any of that kind of stuff? So it is the contrary. The latest data now in 2024, 2023, 2025, looking at hundreds of thousands of people, millions of people in multiple studies, have now shown that across all studies, people on statin medications, specifically statins, have a 20% reduction in dementia and a 32% reduction in Alzheimer's dementia. And if you look at a more recent study that was just published this year, you have a reduction, a significant reduction in all forms of neurodegenerative disease. They list Alzheimer's, they list dementia, they list Parkinson's, ALS, and multiple sclerosis. All forms of neurodegenerative disease were significantly lowered by statin and LDL lowering therapy. The Lancet in 2024 published a huge article placing LDL cholesterol as the number one risk factor. It was tied for number one, the number one risk factor for dementia. They've also found that statin medications reduce many, many different forms of cancer, which we can get into in another video. But anybody who's trying to scare you into not taking statins because of this fear of dementia is trying to scare you for no reason. The blood vessels that go into your brain can also plug up. And when you plug up tiny little vessels that go into tiny little areas in your brain, you start getting dementia. You start getting tremors. You start getting forgetfulness. You start getting a little uncoordinated and off balance. All those parts of your brain are affected by the same process that affects the arteries in your heart and the big arteries that can cause massive strokes as well. Follow actual doctors and cardiologists. We will make sure that they do not lead you astray.